26.890, and he's going to keep that distance. All right, so and everything is good to go. So we will be green for the rest of this class. Tory Keefe, ladies and gentlemen, it's from the Hooterville Hammer. To get the footage here tonight. Well, we're starting out. It's going to be a little testy at the beginning. But things should work out here for the rest of the evening. Get a few of these classes turning up that surface.